If you want to know what's actually inside of an ETF, TradingView shows you the full holdings list and weights. Here's how to find them. First, open any ETF. For us, let's say we're going to use SPY. On the right side panel, click on the watch list button. It looks kind of like a bookmark with lines on it. Click here, then click on the metrics boxes. There's 4 squares and a bigger square. Click it, then go under Fundamentals to Profile. Now you can X out of this watch list tab by just clicking on it again. Make sure you're on the Holdings section. What you see right now is a table of every stock SPY holds. Each row shows the ticker, the company name, the percentage weight in the fund, and much more. The list is sorted by weight, so the largest positions are at the top. For SPY, you'll see Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA, and the rest of the top names that dominate the index. The top 10 holdings often make up to 30 to 40% of the entire fund. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter for me? This matters because buying an ETF is buying its holdings in proportion. If you buy a tech ETF, you should know whether it's diversified across 100 stocks or concentrated in 5 names. The Holdings tab will tell you that instantly. You can also use this to find correlated trades. If a tech ETF is moving sharply, check the top holdings. The biggest names are likely driving the move and might be a better individual trade. Click any ticker in the holdings list to jump straight to that stock's chart. From there, you can analyze the individual name. Now, this works not only on SPY, but on every major ETF, sector funds, thematic funds, country funds, bond funds, and use it before buying any ETF, and use it anytime an ETF moves sharply and you want to know which underlying stocks are responsible. Have a great day, guys.